This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Mark Engledow. Best C2 deal in Blue Ridge. Large, versatile 5,200 plus square feet. Commercial building on March 4th of an acre, in excellent location. Zone C2 for a wide variety of uses. Has loading dock and handicap access. Perfect for a manufacturing and assembly business, office complex, retail shops, antique mall, congregate assisted living center, daycare center, kids or doggies, and many other uses. Plenty of room for parking. 900 square feet upstairs with bath and small kitchen for additional office space and/or employee lounge. For more information, review the details below or contact Mark Engledow at 706-632